Both all-time highs. Tap into a 15-minute fair value gap. Swept London pre-market and Asia. Respected this 15-minute FVG. Got it. If we get an inversion, I have to take that. I just have to. It was a clean inversion. This might be my only trade for today. Okay, we just inversed it.
Order
and
filled.
I'm in. Stop loss above this level. I think we're still in our 5-minute, which I hope isn't problematic. Okay. Looking like we have other things planned. Inversion wasn't the cleanest, but it was an inversion nonetheless. All right, we're going up. Okay, we bounced off that 5-minute. Sheesh. Respected that 5-minute.
Stop filled.
Stopped out here. Shit. I do see this 1-minute here as well. This is a 5-minute FVG that we respected actually. Should have waited for the 5 actually. Because now it definitely looks like we want to head up and inverse that 2-minute. Five-minute, let's see. Might take one more trade there because I do think, let's see. I don't want to be sure though. I don't want to do anything crazy. Tap into a 5. I see we've respected that 15. Five-minute FVG tap. I guess if it hits the limit, I'll take it. Fuck it. If it doesn't, then that's it for me. Yeah, that was the move to the upside. That move. So that's gonna be that for me. I really wanted to take one trade a day today anyways. Like I came in just fixated on trying to take just one trade a day today. So that was in the back of my mind as well. Still climbing all-time highs, man. Anyways, that's that for me, guys. So I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I'll see you guys next week. Peace out, y'all.